How do we establish data science in the upper management? Obviously, the process of establishing data science in an organization requires long-term investments, both financial and personal. It should therefore be clear that we need to have the management on board, and in the best case ensure that they have at least some level of trust in the data science methods. For that, we think it is necessary to, first of all, give the management an understanding of the whole establishment process, which we explain in this video series. Further, we would like to ensure that the management has at least a basic understanding of data science methods and possible applications, as well as an idea of how to manage a data science project. In the usual time frame, it is not really possible to convey a deep understanding, but that's also not necessary. We personally would do this as part of a half-day workshop or 1 or 2 online workshops lasting only 1 or few hours each, and that just needs to be enough already. The goal of these workshops would be to first and foremost build up trust by generating an understanding of what data science can and cannot do. With this basic knowledge of the possibilities of data science, the participants should also learn to recognize use cases in the organization. Note that the upper management doesn't need to exactly identify where and how data science might be of help. In our view, it is sufficient if the management has a rough idea and sees that there are use cases, that there are ways how data science methods can have a positive impact on the organization. And actually, it's incredibly unlikely for any kind of organization to have data but no use for data science at all. Further, the participants of these workshops should learn how managing a data science project differs from managing other kinds of projects. In a sense, data science is a bit like research. Knowledge gained within each project shapes the way the rest of the project runs. And also, we don't fully know if the project will be successful. That's why another goal of the workshop is trying to adjust the failure culture of the management. The later projects can be more complicated and much more profitable, but the first few use cases should be relatively simple and partially just a way to gain experience and build up the required infrastructure, with the option of them potentially failing. That's important because in data science we're always looking for something of which we don't even know if it is there. Part of the SPEDS is helping with the identification and classification of use cases. Selecting and specifying use cases carefully with the help of experienced data scientists can help to minimize the chance of failure. But of course, even that cannot guarantee a successful project, because at this point there are still many unknowns left, such as the data quality. So within the establishment process, we have to factor in the possibility of a single project's failure. That also means that if possible, we shouldn't put all our eggs in one basket and instead start with more than one initial use case. All in all, the involvement of the upper management is essential for the success of the whole process. And if the management has at least a basic understanding of data science, they can not only better see how it can have a positive impact on the organization, but also make better decisions and manage the projects more efficiently.